Hello dear students, continuing from the last session, in the last video I have discussed on the adversarial search. In this video I will show you another example of the minimax problem. So in this slide you can see that there is an example given where one tree is there and there are two levels, level 1 and level 2. In the level 2 the game points are given. The game rules are given, assuming that the maximizer win point is plus 20, so the minimizer lose point is the plus 20, and the minimizer's win point is minus 20. That means the maximizer's losing point is the minus 20, and draw value is 0. So if 0 comes, then game will be taken as draw. So if in this case, suppose there is only two levels, in the starting level, I mean the level 1, if the player is the maximizer, his or her intention will be to maximize the game point, and here the maximum value is plus 5 and minimum value is minus 8. So if the first player is the maximizer, then they will, I mean he or she will take only the plus 5 value, that means B, and if it is a minimizer, then it will choose minus 8. So I am going to a little bit enhanced example, that is having 3 levels, level 1, level 2 and level 3. So I have not mentioned over there who is the first player, whether the maximizer or the minimizer. In both the cases what will be happen, that I will show you. So before that I am taking the first player as a maximizer. So if the first player is maximizer, then obviously in the next level the minimizer will take the turn, right? So what will be happen if maximizer is the first player and minimizer is the second player, and the game will end at the level 3. So first we consider this particular part, that is part B, where the minimizer is taking the turn. So minimizer will take the minimum value, that is minus 2. So here we will take minus 2. Okay. In the C part, the minimizer will choose the I, as it is minus 6. It is minimum within 3, minus 6 and 7. So it is minus 6. And in this part, minimizer will choose minus 8. Okay. Now I am going to the first turn, that is by maximizer. Okay. So in this particular turn, the maximizer will take the highest value, and within this the highest value would be minus 2. So here the value taken by the maximizer will be minus 2. Fine. Now the same thing, what will be happen if the first player is the minimizer. So I am writing minimizer here and maximizer here. Okay. So these values will be changed. So here if it is a maximizer, then what will be happen? The highest value will be taken by the maximizer. So highest value is plus 6. So it will be plus 6. Here the highest value is 7. So I will write plus 7 over there. And here it is plus 5. So I will write plus 5 over there. Fine. So in this case, in the first turn taken by the minimizer will be chosen, what will be chosen by the minimizer? Obviously the minimum value within this particular level, that is plus 5. So it will be plus 5. Fine. So here we can write that plus 5 is one value, that is the highest value chosen by the minimizer, and minus 2 is the value which is being chosen by the maximizer, right? So plus 5 is the highest game value if the player 1 is the minimizer, and if the player 1 is maximizer, then plus 2 is the highest value. Okay, so here we can say that the alpha and beta pruning for this particular game, the alpha pruning may be plus 5 and the beta pruning be minus 2. Why? Because minus 2 is the value chosen by the maximizer, highest value chosen by the maximizer if it is a player 1. So only if we choose only minimizer, then in this particular game only plus 5 is coming over there, right? Plus 5 is coming over there, that is the highest value is coming. So in this case the alpha pruning is plus 5 and the beta pruning is minus 2. Similarly, I'll do another example. Okay, in the same way we will take the maximizer and the minimizer. So let us assume that the first player be maximizer, second player will be minimizer, and the third player be again maximizer. So in the last level the game will be over. So if the player in this particular level, the level 3 is maximizer, so its target would be maximizing the value. So then it is 6, right? It should be 8, it should be 3, and it should be 9. And in this particular level, by minimizer it will choose the minimum value, so it will be 6 and it will be 3. So the value by the maximizer will be plus 6. Okay, so this is what if it is a value, if in this case the first player is the maximizer. Now if the minimizer is the first player, okay, if the minimizer is the first player, then it will come in this way. Fine. So what would be happen? Minimizer will choose 4, here it will choose 7, here it will choose 1, and here it will choose 5. Similarly here it will choose maximizer will choose what? 7, and here is 5. And within this value, the minimizer 7 and 5, the minimizer will choose obviously 5. So we can see that if it is maximizer, then the game point, the value obtained by maximizer is 6, and if it is minimizer, then the value obtained by the minimizer is 5. So 5 is the highest lowest value, and the 6 is the highest value obtained by the player, whoever is coming first. 5 is the lowest value and the 6 is the highest value. So 6 is the alpha pruning of this game and 5 is the beta pruning of this game. Fine. So I hope that you will understand what is the Minimax problem and how to calculate the alpha beta pruning. If you like this video, then please subscribe the channel and do visit my channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you.